Hey, hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you connect your TikTok account with your YouTube. And not only that, why would you actually do that anyway? Well, that's a great question. Look, if you've got a TikTok account, TikTok is a very popular place at the moment that is getting massive amounts of views. Now, if you've got a YouTube account as well, you can actually share snippets of your YouTube, to TikTok, and then send them over to YouTube to get the full version and increase your subscriptions. So let's go to the intro and then I'll show you how. So this is the home screen of TikTok. So to access the settings where we're actually going to connect your TikTok account to your YouTube, we're going down to the bottom here to the Profile Me section. And then halfway up, you'll see the Edit Profile button. So we're going to select that. Now this is where you're going to put any or all the information updated in regards to your profile. But if you come halfway down, you will see your username, your bio, and your website. Now right down the bottom, we have the YouTube icon. Now because I've already connected my YouTube account to TikTok, I would be unlinking by clicking this button. But for you, by selecting the button, it will ask you, TikTok will ask you what Google account is connected with your YouTube. So this is the Google sign in that you access to your your YouTube account and your password. Simply put those details in and come back, and once you've done that, select your profile button down the bottom again, and beside the edit profile now we see this button, which is your YouTube. If I select that, it'll take people from TikTok straight over to my YouTube channel. Now this is all well and good, but what about a strategy to actually get us to use TikTok and send people to our channel? Well, that's where you're going to share a snippet of the videos that you've got on YouTube, and you're going to actually get them or tell them to click on this button right here to pop over to YouTube and watch the full video. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more information about social media.